A very good morning. Okay. Seems to be a long Monday for him. No, a good morning. Okay. In the Saturday's class, we have discussed what are exponents and laws of exponents based on integers and rational numbers. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now we are going to deal with the application of laws, means how to apply the laws in order to solve the exponential form questions. Okay. So let's start with the first question of exercise 2.1, page number 25. I hope everyone has received the got the page number.
Yes, ma'am.
Can everyone see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, let's take the first number first. The number says it's in a curly bracket. What is the number given to us is 1 by 3, yes, whole to the power minus 3 minus small bracket 1 by 2 whole to the power, what's the number, minus 3, right? And which is, this whole set is being divided by another exponential number which is bracket 1 by 4 whole to the power minus 3. Which law should be used very easily and which should be convenient for us to use? Can anyone see that will help us to solve the calculations? Can anyone tell? You have learned exponents in your previous class also, so please try which law we can use, which will help us to easily solve the question. See, laws are used to simplify our equation, right? So which law will simplify our equation fast? Come on, try. We have learned a number of laws. Which law? What you can observe here? Which type of numbers are here? Yes, answer. कैसे नंबर है यहाँ? नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट्स हैं? अच्छा, अगर हम ये वाला लॉ क्लास, आर यू विद मी और आई एम ओनली स्पीकिंग टू डमीज? आर यू विद मी और आई एम स्पीकिंग टू डमीज? क्लास, आंसर yes or no? If you don't know, I have no listening. You are listening. So answer what I have asked the question. That means you have not done your homework. होमवर्क किया नहीं है? कुछ लिखने का होमवर्क नहीं दिया था आपको? हमने दिया था क्या? सिर्फ लर्निंग का होमवर्क दिया था ताकि हम एप्लीकेशन कर सके। सिर्फ इतना बता दो अपनी बुक, अपनी कॉपी को खोल के जहां तुमने सारे फॉर्मूले लिखे हैं, या फिर अपनी बुक से जहां तुमने ऑब्वियसली कोशिश की है पढ़ने की कि इसमें कौन सा लॉ लग पाएगा, जरा देख के बताओ तो। क्वेश्चन हम फिर से दिखा रहे हैं, और जब तक आपकी तरफ से आंसर नहीं आएगा मैं क्लास नहीं बढ़ाऊंगी। मैं डमीज को पढ़ाती नहीं हूँ, मैं इंसानों को पढ़ाती हूँ। अगर आप इंसान हैं तो अपना इंसान के लिए ग्रे मैटर वाला दिमाग भी भगवान ने दिया है, उसका आप यूज करेंगे, यूज करके पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे। और अगर डमीज की क्लास, मैं अभी भी क्लास रोक दे रही हूँ, आपके लिए आज की छुट्टी है। व्हाट यू वांट? व्हाट यू वांट? व्हाट यू वांट? पढ़ना है या चुपचाप बैठे रहना है?
मैम पढ़ना है।
पढ़ना है तो क्वेश्चन पे देखिए, कौन से, इतना मैंने पूछा है, कैसे सॉल्व नहीं करना नहीं पूछा है मैंने, सिर्फ इतना पूछा है कि कौन सा लॉ लग सकता है इस क्वेश्चन में। सिर्फ रिलेट करना है, सही गलत वो बात की बात है। आप अपना देख के क्वेश्चन को बताइए कौन सा लॉ लग सकता है। मैं क्वेश्चन फिर से दिखा रही हूँ। Which law can be applied on this?
Ma'am, a raised to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to the power m.
Very good. This law. Now you are aware. We can use. So what will happen? 1 by 3 to the raised to the minus 3 will change to 3 raised to the power 3. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And minus
Yes, ma'am.
1 by 2 will change to? Minus 1 by 2 will be changed to 2 raised to the power 3. This curly bracket closes. This, see again 1 by 4 is also in the form of inverse. So I can say 4 to the power minus 3, 4 to the power 3. Yes? Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is 3 cube? 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3, 27. Then 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. Right? Curly bracket closed. Then divided by 4 fours are 16. 16 fours are how much?
Ma'am, 64.
64. Yes, 64. So 64. And 27 minus 8 is equal to how much? 19? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Can 19 be divided by 64? No. Sorry, 64 cannot be because it's a proper fraction. So our answer is lastly 19 by 64. Understood? Understood or not?
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
I will be telling you the calculation, no problem. But you have to tell me the laws, then only I will, which law can be applied, then only I will solve the question. Am I clear? Am I
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
So now, you will be telling me which question to solve. I will be solving that for you. But before that, you have to tell me which law can I can use here in that question. Okay? So select a question from the exercise 2.1 question 1. Whichever question you want to select. I have taken the first one. Whichever question you want to select, it's up to you. Whichever question you want. Tell me which part should I solve for you.
Ma'am, question D.
D for dog. D for dog.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first let's write it. The question is curly bracket. Within curly bracket, a small bracket is there. The number is 2 by 3. Yes. Whole to the power 2. And with that curly bracket, outside curly bracket, it's a raised to the power 3. Right or wrong? Then multiplied by 1 by 3 raised to the power minus 4. Right? I'm noting the question correctly? Am I noting
Yes,
the
ma'am.
correction correctly? Okay. Then 3 to the power minus 2. 3 to the power minus 2. And finally 2 to the power minus 1. Yes? Is this the question? Now,
Yes.
will you tell me which law is most conveniently I can see here? Fast. Which law? Only just tell me the law. Okay, I'm giving you a hint. I can see 2 laws here. मैं 2 laws को एक साथ देख पा रही हूँ. That's a hint for you. Which 2 laws?
Ma'am, a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m into n.
And any other law?
Ma'am, a raised to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to the power m.
So we will be using it together, all the laws. Okay? उसी equation में लिखना है ना? So what will happen? 2 to the power 3. So 2 by 3 whole to the power 6. First one. Right? Multiplied by 3 raised to the power 4. Yes or no? multiplied by
Yes.
1 by 3 raised to the power 2. Yes, बात तो एक ही हुई ना.
Yes, ma'am.
Multiplied by 1 by
Yes,
2.
ma'am.
It's minus 1, so 1 by 2. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what we should do, see, all the numerators is having, so what we are having the numerator. Now we can assemble 2 to the power 6 minus 1. Am I right? And multiplied by 3 to the power 6 plus 4 minus 2. Will I be writing like this? देखो, सारे न्यूमरेटर्स और डिनोमिनेटर को इकट्ठा किया और पावर्स को ऐड एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट के फॉर्म में लिख दिया. गलत है कि सही है?
I'm right.
सॉरी, -6 प्लस 4. -6 नीचे है ना. -6 प्लस 4 माइनस 2. 6 नीचे है ना. ओके, इसको मैं बड़े से लिख रही हूँ, साफ तरीके से लिख रही हूँ. ठीक है, इतने को हम साफ तरीके से लिख रहे हैं. सो व्हाट आई हैव 2 into 2 the power 6 minus 1. चलो तुम लोग के कन्वीनियंस के लिए इस तरह से लिख देते हैं. 6 minus 4 plus 2. बात वही हुई या नहीं? बात वही हुई या नहीं? अगर मैं 6 को ऊपर ले जाती तो -6 होता, +4 -2 हो जाता. अगर मैं 6 को नीचे ही 3 को नीचे ही सॉल्व करूं तो ऐसा हो जाएगा. सही है कि गलत है? मैंने दोनों फॉर्मेट लिखे थे.
मैम सही है.
दोनों फॉर्मेट सही है. आपकी चॉइस, आप ऊपर ले जाना चाहते हो कि नीचे रखना चाहते हो. ठीक है, मेरी बात समझ में आई या नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
इट्स अप टू यू. सो क्या हो गया यहाँ? क्या हो गया? 2 to the power 5 आया और नीचे कितना बचा? चलो बताओ, 3 to the power कितना बचा? 4 plus 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 minus 4 is 8 minus 4 is how much?
4.
4.
4.
ये तो आपने लोगों ने प्रीवियस क्लास में पढ़ा था. बताइए 2 to the power 5 कितना होता है? फास्ट.
I'm 32.
32. Very good. And what is 3 to the raised to the power 4 equal to? 4 equal to how much? Fast. You should have learned these values.
Ma'am, 81.
81. कुछ वैल्यूज आपको याद कर लेनी चाहिए ताकि सिंप्लीफिकेशन में आसानी हो. जब एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में चेंज करना होता है तो आसानी होती है. ठीक है,
ओके मैम.
कुछ वैल्यूज आपको याद कर लेनी चाहिए. ठीक है, इज दिस वन क्लियर? इज दिस वन क्लियर?
यस मैम.
ओके, अब बताओ आप कौन सा सॉल्व करें? You can take questions from second also. 1 and 2 we are solving it together, right? Question 1 and 2 we are solving together. You can take questions from question 2 also, whichever you want. Which one you want to be solved? Get it solved by me. Come on. You can select questions from question 1 also and select questions 2 from question 2 also. Any question.
Ma'am, question J.
J for Joker. J for Joker?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first we have to write the number, na? So the number is in this form, right? Right or wrong? And above is written 3 to the power minus 2, right? And whole to the power. It's a form of power, yes or no? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
then multiplied by again
Yes,
same
ma'am.
set 5 square 5 square whole to the power how much -3, and then they have given us a variable, yes or no? Then they have given us a variable that is multiplied by t to the power is how much -3 and whole to the power is square, means all the three sets are of power or not? All the three sets, sorry, square, all the three sets are of power, yes. In the case of numerators, let's go for the case of denominators. It is saying 3 raised to the power -2 whole to the power how much? Please read the question for me. आगे क्या लिखना है बेटा? क्लास 1 वे होना है कि 2 वेज होना है? अगर 1 वे होना है तो मैं क्लास लेना बंद कर दूंगी। मेरी बात समझ में आई?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then what is the next part? 5 to the power 3. Then whole raised to power how much?
And -2.
Minus 2. And then into थोड़ा बड़ा बड़ा लिख गया, सॉरी, लिख लेते हैं t to the power -4, right? And whole to the power. First check I have
And
noted the
3.
question correctly or not. First check I have noted the question correctly or not. The question is noted correctly. Question को सही नोट
No,
किया है?
ma'am.
Yes
No,
or
ma'am.
No,
no?
ma'am.
Ma'am,
गलती
5
की है?
raised to the power 3 whole power, ma'am, will be -2.
Okay, that's
Yes,
right.
ma'am.
Now it's correct. Now
Yes,
it's correct. Okay, let's
Yes,
start
ma'am.
now. Now can we start? Okay. So what should be? 3, 2 into 2. 3 to the power how much?
And
3 to the power how much? 3 to the power 2 2s are 4. Right or wrong? So next one you will be telling me into how much? What should I write here? Now you will be telling me, I will be solving. What should I write here?
Ma'am, 5 raised to the power -6.
5 raised to the power -6. Good. Next one, what should I write here? T to the power -3 whole to the power 2. What should be the answer? Next term. What should be the next term?
Ma'am, t raised to the power -6.
Very good. T raised to the power -6. Now let's come to the denominator section. What we are having? 3. So 3 to the power?
Ma'am, 3 raised to the power 10.
Plus 10 or minus 10?
Ma'am, -10. Ma'am.
Minus 10 or plus 10?
Ma'am, -10.
Minus 10. Then what should I write here?
Ma'am, 5
Five
raised to the power -6.
-6.
5 raised to the power minus
-6.
Yes. 5 raised to the power -6. And last one? Last one?
Ma'am, t raised to the power -12.
T raised to the power -12. Now, one thing can you see? Two values can cancel each other. This value cancels this. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So what we are left? 3 to the power -4 plus 10 and t to the power -6 plus 12. Yes or no?
Ma'am.
No or yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
that means how much? 3 to the power 6 and t to the power. Why I am not putting the that multiplication sign? And 3 to the power 6 is 729. I know you have not learned yet. That's why I'm writing. Next time I want the numbers from your side. Okay? 729 t6. Understood? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, and now you will be telling me you will be telling me the questions and you will be only solving it. I will be just helping it. Understood? Let's take a question from your side, whichever you want. You will be telling me and I will be just helping you if you are wrong. Okay? Okay? Class?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So,
Okay, ma'am.
okay, which question you want to get it solved? Which question? Come on, select a question.
Ma'am, third C.
We are doing beta 1 and 2, na? Third C is of another
Okay,
pattern.
ma'am.
Question C, 3 is of another pattern. Huh? Which one?
Ma'am, second B.
Second B. Okay. Let's take the numbers. First I'm writing the numbers so that I have a fast hand. Then I will be writing the powers. Okay? Powers बाद में लिख दूंगी, जल्दी फिर हो जाएगा, ठीक है ना? खुद लिख देते powers के फॉर्म में लिख दे चलो. The number is okay 1 by 5, right? 1 by 5 raised to the power how much? Read the question for me. Raised to the power how much?
Ma'am, 45.
45. Then what it is written? Please read. I will be writing. Then what is the sign?
Ma'am, multiplied by
Read
1
the
upon
question.
5 raised to the power minus 60.
Minus 60. Okay. Okay. There's a positive. There's a negative. Okay. Then a minus. Then
minus 1
what?
upon 2 raised to the power plus 28.
Okay. That means 1 by 5 to the power 28, right? Plus or this means same. Then multiplied by 1 by
1
5
upon 5
1 by 5
power minus
raised
43.
to the power minus 43.
minus 43. So what can we do here? See, all the sets are having minus 1 by 5. So let's take minus 1 by 5 common. And power will be 45 minus 60 for first case. Yes or no?
Yes,
Pehle
ma'am.
case.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
for the second case, what should be the value? Minus 1 by 5 whole to the power how much? 28 minus 43. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Simply using the addition property. Right or no? So what I am left with? 1 by 5 whole to the power how much? 15 minus 15. And
Yes,
here
ma'am.
also I am getting a negative value, but 1 by 5 whole to the power minus 15. So what law is being used here? At ऑपरेटर्स का कौन सा लॉ यूज हो रहा है? ऑपरेटर्स में यहाँ एक्सपोनेंशियल लॉ नहीं यूज हो रहा, बताओ यूज हो रहा है, जल्दी बताओ और आंसर क्या होगा? प्लस ऑफ ए माइनस ऑफ ए नहीं दिख रहा? ए कैन बी एनी नंबर, यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
ए तो ये प्लस ऑफ ए माइनस ऑफ ए नहीं दिख रहा? माइनस 1 by 5 माइनस 15 ए है, माइनस 1 by 5 टू द पावर माइनस 15, दोनों एक ही टर्म्स है या नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
तो a माइनस ए दिख रहा है आपको? कैन यू सी a माइनस ए हियर?
Yes, ma'am.
So answer should be what? Equal to
0.
Ma'am, 0.
Zero.
Zero.
Understood the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So I
ma'am.
hope you have got a hold of the questions. Questions का grip आया? Questions को solve करने का grip आया? Confidence आया कि अभी भी मुंह बंद करके बैठोगे? Grip आया questions को solve करने का?
Yes, ma'am.
और
Yes, ma'am.
one thing you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
observed that हर question का अपना method है, right or wrong? And while
Yes, ma'am.
solving it, we are not only using exponential properties, but we are using addition, whatever properties we have learned in integers and rational numbers. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to keep in mind all the properties, see which property is most applicable and making the calculation easy. And we have to use that property there. Am I clear?
Yes,
Am I
ma'am.
clear? Any other
Yes,
confusion?
yes, ma'am.
Any other confusion? So
No,
your
ma'am.
homework for today is you have to solve exercise 2.1, question 1 and 2. Question 1 and 2. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.